Dealing with variable products can be complicated by the issues that arise when editing their attributes, descriptions, prices, or any other field, which makes it a long and tedious work. That's why, in this video, we'll show you how easy it is to edit your variable prices from Easy Digital Downloads using the WP Easy Digital Downloads spreadsheet plugin. This is really important because sometimes you want to make changes in hundreds of Easy Digital Downloads, but you have little time, and you can't open and edit them one by one. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. By default, the spreadsheet will show you 3 variable price columns, but you may want to add more variable prices, and WP Sheet Editor allows you to do it quickly. To do this, you need to go to Advanced Settings. Now go to the EDD sheet. Set the number of variable prices to add to the products using this field. And save your changes. As you can see, the spreadsheet shows you all the products, and maybe you need to select only some of them to edit them freely. To do this, we'll need to use the search tool. Once the tool is open, you'll see that you can search for your products by keyword, author, categories, tags, and you can even enable the advanced filters to have more search options. In this case, we'll look for all the products that contain variables to change their prices. So we'll enable the advanced filters. Enter the field variable pricing here. Leave equal as the operator. And tick this checkbox. Finally, run the search. Once the products have been filtered, let's see how to change the variable prices of the downloadable products. To do this, let's open the bulk edit tool. Now select the rows you want to update, in this case it will be all the rows from my current search. Select the variable price field that you want to edit. Choose the option to set the value. And enter the new price here. Finally, execute. As you can see, editing your downloads variable prices is really simple with the WP Easy Digital Downloads spreadsheet plugin. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.